Before joining Abel Womack, I was in the Air Force for 11 years as an aircraft electrical environmental technician. I was looking for something that was a little less stressful, but I could still use my mechanical abilities and a little better work-life structure, and Abel offered all that to me.
I'm pretty new to the material handling world. I started off as an automotive mechanic, late teens, early young adult. I came to Abel Womack and I love it. The skills I took from automotive were definitely different on a forklift, but just the hands-on skills, knowing how to use the tools and then turning that into working on forklifts.
I love the flexibility a road technician gets here at Abel Womack. It feels like freedom, but you have a boss that's taking care of you, but as long as you're doing your job and you're doing it well, nobody's bothering you, you just go to where you want to do. You plan your day.
Abel Womack has extensive training. The support team is excellent. We have guys that have come from aviation, automotive, computer technology, and we all put it all together and we make like a super tech.
We try and hire people that have a mechanical background or know how to use tools. You can't teach mechanical aptitude. You can teach electronics or electricity, and you can teach how our machines work and how the systems in them work.
It goes all the way from forklift up to vertical storage machines, Cardex Remstars, the robots that you can see behind me, all those are serviced by Abel Womack, so you get a very diverse skill set if you choose to have that.
I went through a technical primer class, which is like 10 days of extensive bookwork training. When you leave that class, you're a little bit more confident with reading prints and drawings and schematics, and you just feel a little more confident with what you're doing.
As far as benefits go here at Abel Womack, they're great. Pay for a technician is comparable with any other competitor around the area. Great insurance plans, 401k is great.
I hop in the van in the morning and I'm happy to come to work. I plan on retiring from here. I don't see forklifts going anywhere. I don't see Cardex Remstar going anywhere. And I feel comfortable here knowing that Abel Womack has kind of planted its tree and it's grown and it's flourished, and I know it's not going anywhere. So I feel really comfortable here.